Bitcoin update and trades I share in the private list. First, let's talk about the trades I share in the private list. Today, we are up 450% with trades Sinverse, CARTESI, HIBEANZ, AntiMatter token, MTG token. Guys, AntiMatter token was amazing returns. I shared this trade in the private list yesterday at Sunday. We bought this coin for 10 cents and I put a sell order right here. Daily resistance 37 cents. I made $22,000. Some crypto members made 250%. Amazing returns, guys. Price goes flat, volume spike plus buyer power. Nobody talk about the coins we trade in this channel because my software I develop is tracking 3,000 coins with more volume. Okay, when a lot of people think we make money because we buy coins with low price, take a look at how much this price is. Sinverse, only 1 cent. We don't care for the price, guys. We care for the volume. Volume is confirmation. When the coin I run flat and volume spike plus buyer power, that means buyers are control the market. So we only jump in trades with high buyer power. That's the reason why our trades are successful. My softwares collect this data straight from the exchange, use API. Okay, API is the secret sauce, guys. So take a look at this volume: $2 million, 198 million, 335 million thousand, 3.4 million. Guys, if I made $45,000 in 2 days, you can make the same profits I do. You just need to copy my trades. TradeCryptoTime@gmail.com. Next trade recap, it's Cartesi, guys. Same strategy. Price goes go flat, volume spike, buyer power. I shared this trade in the private list on Friday 14. We bought this coin for 15 cents and I put a sell order up here. Daily resistance 28 cents. I made 75%, 7,500. MTG token, exactly the same thing, guys. Take a look, the price go flat, flat, flat. Volume spike, buyers control the market. Share this trade in the private list. We bought this coin for 0.0012. Put a sell order right here. Always on the daily resistance, guys. We made 45%. I share all my trades in the private list. Also, I will let you know when you should buy and sell Bitcoin and the main cryptos, guys. Shiba, Litecoin, Polkadot, Solana, Polygon. Trade with us. TradeCryptoTime@gmail.com is the way to go because together we are strong. Guys, about Bitcoin, I put up on my Twitter account the chart explained the Bitcoin hold this line at support right here, $25,000. We go up. If we not hold the $25,000 support, we might go down. Feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Give me a like this video, share. Let's trade together because together we are strong. More people buying the same coin at the same time, price goes up faster. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.